Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Let us start exercise 3.4 children. First question, solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. First question, x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. This is first equation children and this is second equation children. So first one, elimination method. We have already discussed elimination method in our previous video children, how to do. So let us start. Here first equation, x plus y equal to 5. Second one, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now we have to check the terms, which term we can eliminate, right? Here see, if you add or subtract also, you cannot eliminate x terms. If you see here also, you cannot eliminate any term children. So that's why I am multiplying equation 1 with 2, right? Equation 1 multiplying with 2. So let us see how it is changes. Now 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y equal to right hand side also you have to multiply. 2 5s are 10. Now first equation becomes this one, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now write the second equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 4 children. This is second equation as usual. Now observe the terms, 2x, 2x here. If you subtract first equation with second equation, you can eliminate the x term, right children, first term. So let us subtract 1 minus 2, right children. For subtracting we have to change the sign, here minus, here plus and here minus, correct children. Now 2x minus 2x will get cancelled, it is 0, plus 2y plus 3y, that is 5y, 10 minus 4 children, it is 6. Now y equal to 6 by 5 children, correct. Now we have to find out x value. Just substitute y value in any equation. Here first equation is easier. So I am substituting y value in first equation. That is x plus y equal to 5. Right? Now x plus y value is 6 by 5. That equal to 5 children. Now x equal to, send this 6 by 5 to right hand side. 5 minus 6 by 5. Now 5 is LCM. 5 5s are 25 minus 6. Now x value is 19 by 5. Second one, 3x plus 4y equal to 10, first equation children, and 2x minus 2y equal to 2, that is the second equation, right? Now check the terms. Here any terms we can eliminate by adding or subtracting? No. So that's why I am multiplying second equation with 2, right? Multiply equation 2 with 2 children. So then first equation 3x plus 4y equal to 10 only. Now second equation 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into 2 minus 4y equal to 2 2s are 4. Now this is second equation children. Here by adding only we can eliminate the second term children. So that add 1 and 3 equations. Now 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 4y minus 4y will get cancelled, it is 0. 10 plus 4 children, it is 14. From here x value is 14 by 7, that equal to 2. So x equal to 2 children. Now y value. So how to get y value? Substitute this x value in any equation. So I am substituting in second equation children. So second equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. What is x value? 2 children. So 2 of 2 minus 2y equal to 2 children. 2 2s are 4 minus 2y equal to 2. Now minus 2y will go right hand side, that is 2y equal to 4 minus 2. Now 2y equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2, y equal to 1. 2 by 2 is 1. Here x is 2, y equal to 1. Now for same equations we can use substitution method also. We'll see how it is children. First equation 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Second one 2x minus 2y equal to 2 children. Right? So from here I am getting 2x value equal to 2 plus 2y. This is from equation 2. Right? So x equal to 2 plus 2y divided by 2. This 2 will go right hand side divided by 2. Now here take 2 common. 1 plus y divided by 2 already there. 2 will get cancelled. X equal to 1 plus y. Right children? Put this value in equation 1 children. Then 3 of x means 1 plus y plus 4y equal to 10 children. 3 into 1 3 plus 3 into y 3y plus 4y equal to 10 children. Right? Now 3 plus 7y equal to 10. From here 7y equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. Therefore y value is 7 by 7, y equal to 1. Correct children? So now we got y value, we have to substitute in x value. From here x value is 1 plus y children. So x equal to 1 plus y means 1 only. That equal to 2. X value is 2 and y value is 1 children. So we got same answer in elimination method and substitution method also. Third one 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, 9x equal to 2y plus 7 children. This equation we can write 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Right, this minus 4 will go right hand side, this equal to 4. This is first equation. Now this equation also 9x, send this 2y to left hand side, minus 2y equal to 7. Now this is second equation children. Right, now observe these two equations. Is there any terms to cancel or eliminate by adding or subtracting? No. So that's why I am multiplying first equation with 3. So multiply equation 1 with 3 children. So that here I will get 9. Then I can eliminate the first term. Right children? Now let's multiply the first equation with 3. 3 into 3x. 9x. 3 into minus 5y. Minus 15y equal to 3 4s are 12 children. Right? This is new one. Third equation. Second equation same. 9x minus 2y equal to 7 only. This is second equation. Right children? Now we have to subtract. If you are adding means you will get 18x here. So subtract. For that we have to change the sign children. Minus here, plus here and minus here. Correct children? Now 9x minus 9x will get cancelled. It is 0. Minus 15y plus 2y. Minus 13y. That equal to 12 minus 7 children 5. Now y equal to minus 5 by 13. This is y value children. Now we have to substitute y value in any one of these equations. Right? Here we are substituting y value in equation 1 children. That is 3x minus 5y equal to 4. 3x minus 5 into y, that is minus 5 by 13 equal to 4 children. From here 3x minus minus plus 25 by 13 equal to 4. From here 3x equal to 4 minus 25 by 13 children. That equal to 13 is LCM here. 4 13s are 52 minus 25. 52 minus 25 is 27 by 13. Now we want x value only. So x equal to 27 by 13 into 1 by 3. This is the reciprocal, right? 3 1s are 3 9s are. Therefore, x equal to 9 by 13 children. Now we'll do substitution method children for the same equations. From first equation, I can write 3x equal to 4 plus 5y. Correct? This minus 5y will go right hand side. It is 4 plus 5y. But we want only x. Therefore, x equal to, send this 3 also right hand side divided by 3. Right children? Now substitute this value in second equation. 9 into x. X means 4 plus 5y divided by 3. minus 2y equal to 7 children. Here 3 1s are 3 3s are. Right children? Now 3 into 4 plus 5y minus 2y equal to 7. Right? 3 4s are 12 plus 3 5s are 15y minus 2y equal to 7. Now 12, 15 minus 2 children, 13y equal to 7. 13y equal to 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5. Now y equal to minus 5 by 13. Same answer here also. Now what we have to do? Substitute this y value in x. Right children? X equal to 4 plus 5y by 3. So x equal to 4 plus 5 into y means minus 5 by 13 divided by 3. Right? So x equal to 4 5 minus 5 children. 5 into minus 5 minus 25 by 13 divided by 3. First we'll do the numerator part children. So this will be 13 here and 4 13s are 52 minus 25 children divided by 3 is there. This is 52 minus 25, 27 by 13 by 3 is there. It is reciprocal, right? 1 by 3. 3 1s are 3 9s are. Correct children? From here x equal to 9 by 13. Same answer here also. X is 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Here fourth one, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. First equation, x minus y by 3 equal to 3 is the second equation children. Now see, can we eliminate any term by adding or subtracting? No. Here we can multiply the second equation with 2 children. Then we will get 2y by 3 minus 2y by 3 so that we can eliminate the second term. Right children? So let us start. So first equation is same. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. This is first equation only. But second equation we are multiplying with 2. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into y by 3 minus y by 3, that is minus 2y by 3 children, that equal to 2 3s are 6. Now this is third equation. Now add these two equations children, because here plus 2y by 3 minus 2y by 3. So add 1 and 3. 2x plus x by 2 here. Here 2y by 3 minus 2y by 3 will get cancelled, it is 0. 6 minus 1 children, it is 5. Now this one, 2 2s are 4x plus x by 2 equal to 5. From here, 5x by 2 equal to 5 children. Therefore, 5x equal to 5 into 2, 10. Therefore, x equal to 10 by 5, that equal to 2 children. X value is 2. Now substitute this x equal to 2, x value in any equation children. Here I am taking first equation only. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. So x equal to 2. 2 by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. 2 2 will get cancelled, it is 1 only. So 2y by 3 equal to plus 1 will go that side, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that equal to minus 2. From here 2y equal to, send this 3 that side, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Y equal to minus 6 by 2. Therefore, y equal to minus 3 children. Now we will do substitution method for the same equations children. Now I am changing second equation. From here x equal to 3, this minus y by 3 will go this side, plus y by 3. Now this equal to 3 3s are 9 plus y by 3. X equal to 9 plus y by 3. This one we have to substitute in first equation. X is 9 plus y by 3. 9 plus y by 3 divided by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1 children. Here 9 plus y by 3 again by 2. That means 6 plus 2y divided by 3 equal to minus 1. From here we can take LCM, that is 6. 9 plus y, 3 2s are, that means 2 into 2y, 4y equal to minus 1 children. So after this 9 plus 5y equal to this 6 will go to right hand side minus 6. Now 5y equal to minus 6 minus 9. Y equal to 5y equal to minus 15 children. Now y equal to minus 15 by 5 minus 3. We know x value. Just substitute this y value here. X equal to 9 plus y by 3. So x equal to 9 plus y means minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3. X equal to 9 minus 3 is 6 by 3 children. That equal to 2. X equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Now second one children. From the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. First question children. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. That means half. We only add 1 to denominator. What is the fraction? We don't know the fraction children. Let the fraction be x by y. Right children? What is the first condition? If we add to numerator, if we add 1 to numerator, that means numerator means x. We are adding plus 1. Right? And subtract 1 from denominator. Y minus 1 from denominator. Then the fraction is 1. Right children? From here x plus 1 equal to y minus will go to right hand side children. 1 into y minus 1. Y minus 1 only. Now x, y will come left hand side minus 1. This plus 1 will go right hand side. Minus 1 minus 1 again. That means x minus y equal to minus 2. This is one equation. Right. What is the second equation they are telling? It becomes half. That means the fractions become half if we only add 1 to denominator. That means x divided by y, only add 1 to denominator plus 1. Then it becomes half. Right children? From here 2 into x. 2x equal to y plus 1 into 1. Y plus 1 only. Therefore 2x, this y will go left hand side, minus y equal to 1. This is second equation children. Right? Now we got two equations. Just solve this one by elimination method. These are the two equations children. Let us solve by elimination method. Now observe second terms, that means y terms. If you subtract 1 and 2, then y terms will get cancelled. Right? So that we can eliminate second term. Right children? So subtract. Therefore the same equations. X minus y equal to minus 2. 2x minus y equal to plus 1. Subtract means we have to change the sign. Minus here, plus here and minus here. Right children? Minus y plus y will get cancelled. It is 0. Plus x minus 2x. That is minus x equal to minus 2 minus 1. Minus 3 children. From here x equal to 3. Minus minus will get cancelled. X equal to 3. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute this x value in any equation. I am taking first equation children. X minus y equal to minus 2. What is x value? 3. 3 minus y equal to minus 2. From here minus y equal to 3 will go to right hand side, minus 3 again. Minus y equal to minus 5. Y equal to positive 5. So x equal to 3 children and y equal to 5. That means what is x here? Numerator. Numerator is 3. What is y here? Denominator. Denominator is 5. So our fraction is 3 by 5. Second one children. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So here we don't know their ages. So let present age of Noori is equal to x. Let the present age of Sonu is y children. So what is the first condition? They are telling 5 years ago. That means past. So we have to do subtract. Right children? Therefore Noori age 5 years ago means x minus 5. Sonu age also 5 years ago. y minus 5. Right children? X minus 5, y minus 5, 5 years ago. Right? We have to subtract 5. So what they are telling? Noori age is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. 3 times as old as Sonu's age. This is Noori's age, 3 times old as Sonu's age. 5 years ago. Right children? Now we will solve this one. X minus 5 equal to 3 into y. 3y, 3 into 5 minus 15 children. Now x minus 3y equal to minus 5 will come this side. So minus 15 plus 5. Now x minus 3y equal to minus 10 children. This is first equation. Right? Now what is the next condition children? Noori will be twice as old as Sonu when 10 years later. That means future. 10 years later means from the present age to 10 years later means we have to add. Right children? So Noori's age is x plus 10 here and Sonu's age also y plus 10. Now what they are telling? 10 years later Noori will be, that means Noori equal to twice as old as Sonu, 2 times of Sonu's age. Right children? So from here x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 2 tens are 20. Now here x minus 2y equal to, this 10 will go to right hand side, 20 minus 10. X minus 2y equal to 10. This is second equation children. Right children? Now we got equations children. So let us solve by elimination method. Now observe these terms children. If we subtract, we can terminate, we can eliminate x term. Right children? So here subtraction. Now we have to change the sign. Here minus, here plus and here minus children. Right? X minus x will get cancelled. It is 0. Minus 3y plus 2y children. Minus y, that equal to minus 10 minus 10. Minus 20. From here y equal to 20 children. We know y value. What we have to do? We have to substitute in any one of these equations. So I am taking second equation. X minus 2y equal to 10. Right? Y value is 20. Substitute here. X minus 2 into 20 equal to 10. X minus 40 equal to 10. So x equal to 10 plus 40 children. X equal to 50. Right? So what is x? Present age of Noori. So he is 50 years. And what is y? Present age of Sonu. He is 20 years old. Third question children. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So we don't know the number children. Let the unit place, that means unit digit is x, and let the tens place, tens digit is y. What is the first condition? Sum of the digits of the number. That means x plus y equal to 9. This is first condition. Right children? Now second condition is children. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. That means we have to know the number. What is the number children? X in units place. Right? X. And y in tens digit place. That means 10 into y. 10y. Right children? If you are adding 10y plus x, that is the number. Right? For example, take 23 is a number children. Right? It is in ones place and it is in tens place. Right? How you will write the number expanding form? 2 tens are 2 into 10 plus 3 ones are 3. Right? This is the expanding form. Right? So, same like that, we have in tens place y. Y into 10. 10y plus in ones place we have x plus x. Right? That's what here. So, the number is 10y plus x. Now what they are telling, we are reversing the order of the digits. That means x will come here and y will come here. Right children? So this is after reversing 10x plus y. Now what is the condition children? The number is, that means 10y plus x. 9 times the number is, that means 9 into 10y plus x is equal to 2 times of reversing the number. After reversing the number, 2 times. 2 into 10x plus y. Right children? Now solve this one. 9 into 10y, 90y plus 9 into x, 9x equal to 2 into 10x, 20x plus 2 into y, 2y. Now from here children, 9x is here and send 20x here, minus 20x plus 90y. This one minus 2y equal to 0. Right children? From here, minus 11x plus 88y equal to 0. This is the second equation children. So we got equations. Let us solve by elimination method. These are the equations children. Second equation we can take common 11 children. 11 we can take common from second equation children. So if you take 11 common, minus x plus 8y equal to 0. Right children? So from here minus x plus 8y equal to 0 only. This is the second equation now changed. Right? Here we can add the equations and eliminate the first term. Right? So here we are adding 1 and 2 equations. Plus x minus x will get cancelled. It is 0. Y plus 8y, 9y children. 9 plus 0, it is 9. From here y equal to 9 divided by 9. That means y equal to 1 children. Right? Now we have to substitute y value in any equation. In first equation I am substituting here. X plus y equal to 9. That means x plus 1 equal to 9. X equal to 9 minus 1, 8 children. Right? So here what is x children? The unit digit. That means x value is 8 and tens digit, that is y value is 1. So what is the number children? 1, 8, 18. Fourth one children. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50s and 100 rupees notes only. So Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50s and 100s she received. Right children? Let the number of 50 rupees notes be x and let the number of 100 rupees notes be y children. What is the first condition children? She received 50 rupees notes plus 100 rupees notes and totally she got 25 notes. That means 50 rupees notes means x plus 100 rupees notes means y. Totally she got 25 notes. Right children? That is the first equation. Now what is the second one children? She took 50 rupees notes. That means 50 of x plus she took 100 rupees notes. 100 of y. How much she totally withdrew? 2000 rupees. This is the second equation children. Sum of notes equal to 25. Sum of notes, that means x plus y equal to 25. That is the first equation children. But here we are counting money. How much she withdrew? 2000 rupees. So 50 rupees notes plus 100 rupees notes. 50x plus 100y. Totally she removed 2000 rupees. Right children? These are the equations. Let us solve by using elimination method. Here we can take 50 common from second equation children. Take 50 common. So x plus 2y equal to, here also you can take 50 common. So 50 into 40 children. Therefore 50 will get cancelled. X plus 2y equal to 40. Now this is second equation. Here by subtracting we can eliminate the first term children. So change the sign. X minus x, it is 0. Y minus 2y, that is minus y equal to 25 minus 40 minus 15 children. Therefore y equal to positive 15. we have to substitute y value in any equation. So I am substituting in first equation, children. Therefore, x plus y equal to 25. This is the first equation. From here, x plus 15 equal to 25. Now, x equal to 25 minus 15, children, 10. So, x means 50 rupees notes, that equal to 10 notes. Y means 100 rupees notes, that equal to 15 notes. Now, we'll see it is correct or not. Right, children? 10 50 rupees notes. That means 10 into 50 plus 1500 rupees notes. 15 into 100. Right, children? 10 into 50, 500 plus 15 into 100, 1500, children. 15 plus 5, 20, 2 zeros. Therefore, she withdrew 2000 rupees. It is correct, children. Fifth question, children. A leading library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day after that. Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book to kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for extra day. Right, children? Therefore, let the fixed charge for first 3 days, children, let it be x. And let the additional charges y, children. What is the first condition, children? Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book for 7 days. Can I write 7 days like 3 plus 4? Right, children? Now we will write the equation. That means x plus 3 means for first 3 days we have fixed charges. So x plus how many days she took extra? 4 days. That means 4 into she has to pay additional charges. Y, that equal to how much she paid? 27 rupees. This is for Sarita, first equation. Now we'll see Susie. She paid 21 rupees for 5 days. Can I write 5 to 3 plus 2, children? Now we'll write the equation. 3 means fixed charge for first 3 days. That means x, children. Right? Plus how many extra days she took? 2 days. 2 into additional charges y, that equal to what is the cost? 21 rupees. This is the second equation, children. We have two equations, children. We can subtract and eliminate the first term here. So change the sign here, minus, minus and minus here also. X minus x will get cancelled. It is 0, 4y minus 2y. 2y, that equal to 27 minus 21, children, 6. Now y equal to 6 by 2. That means y equal to 3, children. Now what is x value? For that we have to substitute this y value to any equation. So let us take second equation, x plus 2y equal to 21. X plus 2 into 3, y is 3, no? That equal to 21. X plus 6 equal to 21, children. X equal to 21 minus 6, that equal to 15. What is x, children? That is fixed charge for first 3 days, 15 rupees. Now what is y? Additional charge, 3 rupees. Right, children? That means they have to pay fixed charge for first 3 days, 15 rupees, children. After 3 days, additional charges will come. That is 3 rupees per day they have to pay. We'll solve the remaining questions in next session, children. Thank you very much.